Now, because the jack points on your Mini are plastic, I highly recommend getting a jack pad adapter, and I'll put a link in the description as to where you can buy them. Now, you're going to look for the small black triangle on the behind the front wheel, and the jack point is going to be right behind that. So we'll slide our jack in, and this is what the jack pad and the jack point are going to look like. Now, before I actually lift the car, I am going to use a 17mm deep socket on my air tool to loosen all the lug nuts. Now, with the tire loose, I will jack up the vehicle just enough to get the tire off the ground. And now I will finish spinning off all 5 lug nuts. Be ready because your wheel is just going to drop off that hub. I guess I should probably call these lug bolts instead of lug nuts. Now I am just switching from my winter tires to my summer tires, so I don't have jack stands under the car. If you are going to be doing any work, I do highly recommend making sure you have jack stands for your safety. If you're not careful, it is easy to cross-thread the lug bolts, so I like to use the 17mm deep socket to make sure that I get them threaded properly. Then I just get them all nice and snug. Now I'll use my air tool to tighten all of the lug bolts, moving around the wheel in a star pattern. My air tool will torque these down to about 80 foot-pounds, but once I lower the car off the jack, I will grab my torque wrench and set the torque to 80 foot-pounds on each lug bolt. That's all there is to it. You can repeat this process on each wheel, and I would recommend, if you are doing service other than changing the wheels, use jack stands. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.